example about a private network with the control and the engine and the gauge for those engines, for this engine. This is private. This is the network of this engine. And I have my gauge, my pressure, my RPM, my temperature, everything here, my control, and my engine running. But I want to integrate this engine with my NEMA, with the rest of the electronic devices in my boat. How can I integrate? I need to verify two things. If my engine have the option for a private network and public network, no? If I have both of them, that will be nice. Because with the private, I'm going to connect the private network. And with the other one, with the public, I am going to connect the public to the NEMA backbone. And with the NEMA backbone, I am going to enter here in the backbone, in the NEMA backbone. And now, if the display is good, I can read all of my engines, generators here in the display. That's magic. That's clear? This is the public network. This is an extension of the public network, and this is the private. This equipment is considered one additional device. If I have another engine, second additional device. If I have a generator, 3. Yeah? This equipment, the entire equipment is considered one additional device.
So there's two questions. Does all the newer engines have NEMA connections?
Yes, all of them, they have the option for a private and a public network.
And so, and for every device, is there a separate backbone, or is it just one backbone?
No, separate backbone, private.
Okay.
That backbone is private.
For the public.
For that engine.
Right. Okay.
But this control is another small computer. They have two cables. Look, one cable for a private, and the private is connected here, and other cable for public, and the public is connected with the public network. You understand?
Yes.
It's simple. It's not the only that I need work a little was with this. This is the public network, and this is the cable for public, but the end of this cable is not the same plug of this. Okay, no problem. I cut it. This cable is according with this. And this one is the backbone, and according with this. But I connect blue with blue, white with white, black with black, red with red. Soldering, crimped, pan, professional, and now I have connection between this point and this point. The same I did with the connection here, the display with the computer. That display is the old version, and this is why I enter here in the NEMA in and NEMA out. This one is coming from the computer. Yeah? That's it. Remember that you always have that option, no? To integrate other equipment. It's clear the definition of a private network and public network? Mm-hmm. And now I have a 2 gauge here and here, no? And because I have a GPS, I have my cell phone. In my cell phone, I can see generators, engines, all the equipment that I integrate in the backbone. I can see those equipment here.
So I have a boat, right? And my gauges are analog.
Okay. That's the next question. You want to introduce those gauges
Well,
here.
on my depth finder, I have an option on my depth finder where it tells you, it has the NEMA connection to the engine, right? But there's no wire ran to it. So, and it also has the RPMs and all that on my depth finder. So if I ran that, a wire from the NEMA in a local network to the depth finder, that would be on a local and not a...
If both of them converge here, yes.
Okay. Okay.
If both of them converge here, yes.
Okay.
If not, no.
Okay. All right.
Yeah.
But the whole concept of public, I got the private, got it. The public is just another set of connectors, right?
Yes.
That you're
Yes.
able to adapt to it. There's nothing
Yes.
special
Yes.
about public, it's just another set of connectors.
It's
Got it.
3 connectors or 2. Here I have two.
You just gotta get
And then from the
connected.
second one, I enter here because I don't need more.
Right.
If I can go directly here to here, yes, but normally the engine is too far.
Too far, yeah.
No? Okay, what is the cable that count in this equation, in this situation, like a drop line? Which cable is the drop line here?
The one that you.
This
This.
one to this one.
Oh, okay.
This one to this, the distance between this and this should be no more than 6 meters. No? Because this is the drop line. Over there is the equipment.